Would you be willing to endure 10 minutes of discomfort to change the next 10 years of your life? This is the crux of the October 10th 10 method, a powerful decision-making tool that helps you break free from the shackles of short-term emotions and make choices aligned with your long-term goals. We all face dilemmas, big and small, that leave us feeling stuck. Should you accept that new job offer? Is it time to end a relationship? The October 10th 10 method provides a framework for navigating these crossroads with clarity and confidence. In this exploration of the October 10th 10 method, we'll delve into its origins, understand the science behind its effectiveness, and learn how to apply it to various aspects of life. Get ready to unlock a future shaped by thoughtful choices, not fleeting feelings. The October 10th 10 method is elegantly simple yet remarkably profound. It involves analyzing how you would feel about a decision at 3 distinct points in the future: 10 minutes from now, 10 months from now, and 10 years from now. By considering these timeframes, you gain a more holistic perspective, weighing both the immediate and long-term implications of your choices. This method isn't about ignoring your gut feelings or suppressing emotions. Instead, it encourages you to acknowledge them while also engaging your rational mind. By integrating emotional and logical thinking, you can make decisions that are both authentic to your values and strategically sound. The October 10th 10 method was popularized by author and journalist Suzy Welch in her book October 10th 10, A Life-Transforming Idea. Welch, a working mother juggling career aspirations and family life, often found herself paralyzed by difficult decisions. She realized that she needed a tool to help her see beyond the immediacy of her emotions and make choices aligned with her long-term vision. The October 10th 10 method is rooted in the psychological principle of temporal discounting, which describes our tendency to prioritize immediate rewards over larger, delayed gratification. Our brains are wired to seek instant pleasure and avoid immediate pain, often at the expense of our future well-being. The October 10th 10 method combats this by forcing us to consider the long-term consequences of our actions, giving our future selves a voice in our present decisions. Let's break down the 3 time frames of the October 10th 10 method, a powerful tool for decision-making that can help you navigate through life's complexities. 10 minutes. This represents the heat of the moment, where emotions run high, and your immediate reactions can cloud your judgment. How would you feel 10 minutes after making the decision? Would you be calm, or would the stress still linger? Would you feel relieved, anxious, excited, or scared? These emotions are crucial to recognize as they provide insight into your immediate emotional state. It's important to acknowledge these initial reactions, as they often stem from deeply ingrained beliefs and values. Reflecting on them can offer clarity. 10 months. This time frame allows you to step back from the initial emotional surge and consider the practical implications of your decision. It's a period to evaluate the medium-term effects. How might your life be different in 10 months? What opportunities might arise? Will you have new doors opening for you? What challenges might you face? Consider the obstacles that could come your way and how you might overcome them. 10 years. This long-term perspective helps you connect your decision to your overarching goals and aspirations. It's about envisioning your future self. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. What kind of person will you be? What will you have achieved? Would you regret making this decision? Reflect on whether this choice aligns with your long-term vision and values. Would it have brought you closer to or further from the life you envision? This method helps ensure your decisions are in harmony with your desired future. Section 5, 10, 10, 10 in action. Relationships, career, health, and finance. This method is a powerful tool that can help you navigate through some of life's most challenging decisions by providing a structured way to think about the future. The 10-10-10 method can be applied to a wide range of decisions, from the mundane to the life-altering. Here are some examples. Whether it's a personal dilemma, a career choice, a health-related decision, or a financial investment, this method can offer clarity and perspective. Relationships. Imagine you're grappling with whether to end a long-term relationship. This is a decision that can be emotionally taxing and complex. 10 minutes after ending it, you might feel heartbroken and uncertain. The immediate aftermath is often filled with intense emotions and doubt. 10 months later, you might find yourself healing, rediscovering your independence, and open to new possibilities. You may start to see the benefits of your decision as you grow and evolve. 10 years down the line, you might be thriving in a fulfilling partnership that aligns with your values and aspirations. The long-term perspective often reveals the true impact of your choices. Career D. You're offered a promotion that requires relocating to a new city. This opportunity could be a significant turning point in your professional life. 10 minutes after accepting, you might feel excited about the opportunity but anxious about the move. The initial excitement is often mixed with apprehension about the unknown. 10 months later, you might be adjusting to your new environment, expanding your professional network, and enjoying the challenges of your new role. The adaptation phase is crucial for long-term success. 10 years from now, you might be a respected leader in your field, grateful for the decision that propelled your career forward. The long-term benefits of taking risks can be substantial. Health. You're struggling to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This is a common challenge that many people face. 10 minutes after committing to a new exercise routine and diet, you might feel motivated but daunted by the challenge. The initial commitment is often the hardest part. 10 months later, you might be reaping the rewards of your efforts, feeling fitter, healthier, and more confident. Consistency and dedication start to pay off. 10 years from now, you might be thanking yourself for prioritizing your well-being and enjoying a higher quality of life. The long-term benefits of a healthy lifestyle are immeasurable. Finances. You're considering a significant financial investment. This decision could have a profound impact on your financial future. 10 minutes after making the investment, you might feel a mix of excitement and apprehension. The initial phase is often filled with uncertainty. 10 months later, you might be monitoring your investment's performance, learning about the market, and making adjustments to your financial strategy. This period is crucial for understanding and optimizing your investment. 10 years from now, you might be reaping the rewards of your investment, securing your financial future, and enjoying greater financial freedom. The long-term perspective often reveals the true value of your financial decisions. Section 6. Overcoming the 10-10-10 hurdles, maintaining balance and honesty. While the 10-10-10 method is a powerful tool, it's not without its pitfalls. It's important to be aware of these challenges so you can navigate them effectively. Here are some common challenges and solutions that can help you stay on track and make the most of this method. Letting one time frame dominate. It's easy to get caught up in the emotions of the 10-minute time frame, where immediate feelings can cloud your judgment. Or the idealized vision of the 10-year time frame, which can sometimes seem too distant and abstract. The key is to give equal weight to all three perspectives, ensuring that you consider the short-term, medium-term, and long-term impacts of your decision. Recognizing that each offers valuable insights that can guide you towards a more balanced and thoughtful decision. Not being honest about short-term impacts. It's tempting to downplay the short-term discomfort a decision might bring, especially if it leads to long-term benefits. However, it's crucial to be honest about these feelings, acknowledging them fully, as they can significantly impact your ability to follow through with your decision. Ignoring short-term pain can lead to regret and second-guessing. Solution: journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings for each time frame can be incredibly helpful. It allows you to process your emotions, identify potential biases, and gain greater clarity. This practice can lead to more informed and balanced decisions, helping you stay true to your values and goals. Section 7. Your 10-10-10 Toolkit. 3 steps to decision-making mastery. Ready to start using the 10-10-10 method in your own life? Here are 3 actionable steps. 1. Identify the decision. What's the dilemma you're facing? Be specific about the choices you need to make. 2. Ask the 10-10-10 questions. For each time frame, 10 minutes, 10 months, 10 years, ask yourself, how would I feel about this decision? Write down your answers in detail, exploring both the positive and negative aspects. 3. Analyze and decide. Once you've considered all 3 time frames, review your answers. What patterns emerge? Which decision aligns best with your values and long-term goals? Section 8. Ready to reshape your future? The 10-10-10 method is more than just a decision-making tool. It's a philosophy for living a more intentional and fulfilling life. By taking the time to consider the long-term consequences of our actions, we empower ourselves to create a future that aligns with our deepest values and aspirations. So, the next time you're faced with a difficult decision, remember the 10-10-10 method. It might just be the key to unlocking a future filled with purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Are you ready to embrace the power of perspective? At the end of the day, most of us don't struggle with what to do. We struggle with when it matters. The October 10th 10 method doesn't give you all the answers, but it gives you clarity. It helps you zoom out from the emotional storm of the moment and ask, will this matter in 10 minutes, 10 months, 10 years? And that small shift, asking better questions, can lead to life-changing decisions. So I want to leave you with this. Think of one decision you've been avoiding or overthinking. Apply the October 10th 10 method to it this week. You might be surprised by how clear things become. If this resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little more perspective right now. Next time, we're diving into how to make the right call when you don't have all the facts, because sometimes perfect information is a myth, but good decisions still need to happen. Thanks for watching. Don't just make decisions, make deliberate ones.